Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 14 how to accept a message request on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the application called GRIDS, and then hope that somebody has sent you a message. So I will use my other account, send myself a message from my mobile phone, and then receive it on the application called GRIDS for Instagram. So I'll send the message now. Go to my DMs, refresh, inbox, other, click on this again, allow the message. Go back one, refresh, click on this again. I am now able to have a conversation with the person in the chat, in the DM. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.